Hi everybody, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to pay a US-based American Express card without having a US-based bank account. Now this is something that a lot of e-commerce sellers and non-residents, like non-US businesses, will basically go and get a US dollar credit card based in the US, American Express. I'm going to put some referral links down below that you can use to get some extra bonus points, but the biggest problem is trying to actually pay it, because a lot of people don't get US-based bank accounts, and you need a US-based bank account to pay that. You can't do it from like a Canadian-based bank account. So one of the solutions that I really like is using OFX. So step number one, sign up for an OFX virtual account, like a global currency account. I'll put the links below with my rep and whatnot, but I recommend getting the OFX account. I get all my Amazon payments paid into that OFX account, and then I can either convert it back in Canadian dollars or send it out in another currency. But what I'm also able to do is send out a wire transfer directly to American Express to pay my OFX bill. Now, some other services don't offer this, and you can't do it. Like, for instance, you can't do it on TransferWise, because you need to be able to further credit too, because you're just basically sending a wire transfer to American Express and they get it in and they don't know where to put it. So you need the reference field. So step number one, sign up for an OFX virtual account, links below. Then you're going to get the wire details. Now, I just went on the chat. They don't have it anywhere in the FAQs. I couldn't find it, so I just went on and I got it through the chat. This is the information that I got. I take no liability with this if it's right or wrong, but it has worked for me, and this is what I use. So I would double check with your rep, log into your Amex and get the details, but these are the details that I get. And I'll put them below so you can copy and paste them, so you're not trying to write this out if you want to use this one. So anyhow, this basically will just put it to a general one, but then the next step is you need to credit it actually to your name and to your account. So that's what we do in step number 3. So in OFX, when you go through and you set up a wire, you set up the new recipient with that information on step number 2. And then on step number 3, when you're going to send the money, and the last step is enter the transfer details. You'll put in the amount that you're going to send. And then in the reference, this is optional, it says, but this is where you put in your full name, like as it appears in the card and on your account, and your American Express account number, the full one. So that way, these reference details are actually transferred to, they're attached to the wire that's actually sent to American Express. So when American Express gets it, they'll see that details, comes in, and then they know, oh, okay, apply that payment to Rob Cosman, and here's his Amex account number. Okay. And that's it. And that's how you do it. It's super easy, because then your Amazon payments just come into your OFX global account and you can send them out. I know a lot of people, for instance, guys that are doing a lot of ad spend will get like the gold card, because it has a 4x ad spend for points 4 times. So that's super valuable. I'll put a few links below. You can look, but quick video. That's how I do it. That's how I send it. I don't have a US-based bank account that I pay this from. I do, but this is how I do it, and it works pretty good. Hopefully that'll help you out too.